The truth is, I never saw this coming.
The kingdom has temporarily suspended entry to those visiting to do the Umrah pilgrimage.
And this, a first for British Muslims.
100,000 people have lost their jobs in just the last couple of days.
Yet as much as I tried to brush it all aside, life just kept getting worse. And what makes it so scary is all this was happening on the doors of Ramadan. What was supposed to be the best month of the entire year. I mean, the month where friends and family come together, yet now we can't even shake each other's hands. And what makes it so heartbreaking right now is the fact that the only place that ever gave me comfort has been taken away too.
I've been here many times before. I feel this pain, but I cannot take no more. I've been blinded by many love nights, but when the times got rough, all I heard was goodbye.
I mean, all those nights at the masjid and the catch-ups with our friends after. Yet now we can't even leave our own homes.
Now is the time to turn the page. I'm owning up to my mistakes. I broke your trust, I am to blame.
Like, what are we supposed to do after breaking our fast? Just sit at home? Everything I ever knew about Ramadan is now over, and I would do anything in the world to have it back like it was. I can't take this anymore. This is the saddest Ramadan of my life.
Now I call you, will you forgive me? So many times I turned away, but you're always there for me. I need your love, 'cause I'm breaking up, and I've had enough. I need you to fix me. You're the only one who keeps me strong. You forgive my wrongs. You never leave me. These falling tears.
But as much as it hurts, maybe this Ramadan won't be so bad after all. I mean, I still have so much to be grateful for. And with the masjid now closed, maybe it's time I turn my home into a masjid. I mean, yes, things have changed, but maybe this is the Ramadan that I was waiting for, with no distractions, no missed opportunities, just me and Allah. And that's everything I need to make my Ramadan the best Ramadan of my life.
I need your love, 'cause I'm breaking up, and I've had enough. I need you to fix me. You're the only one who keeps me strong. You forgive my wrongs. You never leave me. No.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. On behalf of the team at OnePath Network, we would love to wish you all a Ramadan Mubarak. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you would love to see more content just like this, please head over to our website at onepathnetwork.com and check out ways you can produce more content like this. Jazakallahu khairan, and thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.